We will be cooking a breakfast sausage, but not any sausage. We'll be having a Turkish sausage. The type of meat is usually beef. It usually comes in a circle shape or a U shape. This one is a straight, but make sure that it's used for breakfast. This is the brand I'll be using, in case you're worried what the search result might show up. Start by cutting your sausage like this, making them into a circular shape. You should not cut your sausage too thick, then it will take a long time to cook, and if you cut it too thin, it will cook very quickly and burn. So the thickness should be about a 1/4 inch or about a centimeter maximum. Once you're happy with the cutting process, it's time to remove the plastic wrapping around the sausage rings. This should easily come off. You should easily pick it up with your finger. Just tear it and remove it. Sometimes it can be difficult to remove, so you can use a knife to tear it a little bit and then remove it. Next, we will add a little bit of water into a frying pan. This is done to minimize the grease splashing and help with the cooking of the sausages. Place the sausages randomly, giving enough room for the eggs. You should cook your eggs sunny side up. Cook the sausages on a medium heat for at least 2 minutes and then flip them over and cook them on the other side. They should have picked up some color and look more cooked. After another 2 minutes on the other side, it's time to crack in the eggs. Try to crack your eggs carefully, making sure that you don't break the yolk, because we want to have a sunny side up egg. Once the egg have cooked thoroughly, it's time to introduce some butter. Add some butter to the dish, just like that. Add a sprinkle of salt. And some black pepper. And now you can turn off the heat. This will be the end result. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And I'm really interested to learn if you had Turkish sausages in any different way than this. Let me know down below. As for serving suggestions, nothing beats a pita bread. And in case you don't have any pita bread, sourdough would be also great with this breakfast. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and sharing the video with your morning friends.